Changing how you behave isn't fake, it's just unfamiliar. The conception that our personality and who we are is set in stone since birth and that it cannot change. If we try to change, we're not being authentic to our true self. But this is not true. What exactly is our personality? Why do we behave the way we do? Were we born like that? Or has it been the culmination of years of experience that has shaped us into who we are? People have the conception that they cannot become this bubbly, happy person because it's not who they are. But I disagree with that, and I think personality can be changed. 你很可爱，but 你很奇怪。你不要吃那个 the fuck. I think personality can be changed like anything else. It's just skill. So if you want to be this bubbly person that can talk to anybody, you just have to practice it. Fake it till you make it. Be a positive, happy person and interact with everybody in the room. Talk to them, become friends with them, make small talk. Eventually, that will just become you. After enough repetition, you will embody those traits. A lot of people think, I am an introvert, I'm unable to socialize, I'm not a courageous person, I'm lazy, or I don't like working out. They have all of these ideas that these are just set in stone since birth, that they were just born out of the womb like this. They were not able to have these traits for some reason. In the beginning, it feels like you are faking it. You feel imposter syndrome. If you're a teacher, a leader in the military, a police officer, everyone will have this imposter syndrome where they think they're not good enough or they're faking it. But the fact is, everyone's faking it in life. No one knows what they're doing. Everyone is faking it. Everyone feels like they shouldn't be there until one day after 10 years they're a senior in the company and then they're like, okay, actually, I deserve this role. In the beginning, they faked it. Your personality and who you are is the same concept. Everything you do is who you are. You are what you do. If you do these positive traits, then you become that trait. This is really important to understand. Become aware that you can change your personality. We can quite literally change ourselves in any field with enough persistent effort. As long as we keep doing the thing, we become the thing. Fake it until we make it. But just because it feels uncomfortable in the beginning doesn't mean that you are being inauthentic. It just means that it's unfamiliar. It's a totally normal feeling that is experienced every time we undertake something new. So embrace the feeling.